really, today our chapter is also about some birds' name. Open your awareness skill book, page number 24. Today we will learn the birds' name that can't fly high and they can't fly also. Okay, so write down CW and put today's date 24/06/2020. Some birds cannot fly high. High means up. Okay. SOME, some. BIRDS, birds. CAN, can. NOT, not, cannot. FLY, fly. HIGH, high. So, some birds cannot fly high. They are at first duck. DUCK, duck. This is duck. This is hen. HEN, hen. This is peacock. Yes, the dancing bird. PEACOCK, peacock. You know the dancing bird, that peacock, when rain's coming and peacock start to dancing. Okay. Next one, some birds cannot fly. They can fly but not so high. But these birds are can't fly, cannot fly. SOME, some. BIRDS, birds. CAN, can. NOT, not, cannot. FLY, fly. First one is ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. And see, the ostrich neck is so long. Next one, the little bird, very small, kiwi. KIWI, kiwi. And this is a beautiful bird, black and white combination. Penguin, the snowbird, you can call snowbird also, because penguins stay in a iceberg area. Okay, very cold area. PENGUIN, penguin. So once again we will revise. These birds cannot fly high. So these are duck, hen and peacock. And those who are can't fly, they are ostrich, kiwi and penguin.